Marami na masyadong avenues binigay para sa mga kalalakihan. Pero sa atin na mga kababaihan, especially sa amin Muslim women, maliit pa lang yung portion na achieve natin. We have not even reached half of the pie. We need more women to speak for themselves. We need more women to sit down along with men in crafting plans and programs. Because the best programmer for women plans and program should also be women. Walang pwedeng magsalita para sa atin kung hindi yung sarili natin. Walang pwedeng magsalita na ibang tao anong ikakabuti sa kababaihan kundi yung kapwa kababaihan din.
To watch the full episode, go to Paano Ba To on Spotify and YouTube and follow us on Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok.